All right, family, I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, but Juneteenth is coming up, and if you are a CMOS seller, then you're going to want to do the pop-up shops. So I'm going to let you know how you can get started and how you can do your pop-up shop. So first off, number one, you want to find vendors that are doing pop-ups. You're definitely going to need a folding table. You're going to need a cooler if you want to do it the easy way. I'm going to tell you how to do it the easy way, and I'm going to tell you how to do it the hard way. Actually, no, I'm going to tell you how to do it the hard way, um, and I'll say the bougie way, like how I do it, and then I'll tell you how you can do it easy. So what I do is I um, find my vendors. Sometimes there's a registration fee, sometimes there isn't. But most of the time there is. You have to sign up. You might have to go through your local health department, depending on the vendor that you're going through and whoever is throwing like the pop-up shops and whoever is organizing the pop-up shop. And so it's a small fee. So anyway, let's get to what you're going to need. So for me, when I do pop-up shops, I always have a foldable table, um, like one of those long ones that fold in half. They're probably about like 50 bucks or something like that. You can get them at Walmart, Target, a couple other places. Um, what else? And then, so me, I have a beverage refrigerator because I have one from my store. And so what I do is I put my beverage refrigerator up there to keep my sea moss lemonades and my sea moss gels cold. And then I have a solar generator, okay? Everybody don't have those, but I bought one, and so I just hook my my beverage refrigerator up to it, and everything just stays cold. You are also, and then I have like my sign up that lists everything that I have. It's like a standing sign, and like I'll be linking everything in the description box, like that you can get started and get set up. So yeah, I do that, and then I just have like everything set on the table, everything displayed. Yeah, and then you just want to have like backup. So you want to have backup products. I say you should make at least like, if it's going to be a big pop-up shop, you know, a lot of people still don't know about CMOS. So if I were you, I would have like something listed that kind of tells like the health benefits of the CMOS. You need your business cards. Get you one of those little plastic business card holders. Put your business cards up there. Um, Make sure you have a Cash App, Venmo, and you have change. I recommend going to the bank and getting like some fives, some ones. I say get about 31s and like 2 5s or something like that. Just make it about like $50 and change to where you can change, give people change. Yeah, so Venmo, Cash App, maybe one of those little Square cards, also a Square reader for the credit cards, if people don't have Cash App and everything like that. And you can order those. So, and I think they only take the card readers. They don't take that long to get. You can also, I think they have it to where you can actually download the Square app and sign up for it, and then you can tap your credit card on your phone with the app. So you don't have to order the little thing to slide the card. Okay, so now that's the bougie way that you can do it. Oh, you're gonna also need a tablecloth. And you're going to need a canopy, okay? And I recommend getting the canopy weights too, so that if it's windy wherever you're at, your canopy doesn't like fall over, because it will happen. It happened to me my first time. It was like raining, like it was crazy. Like I had to pack up and leave, you know. This is a couple years ago. So you don't want that to happen. Get your canopy weights and your tablecloth. I recommend a yellow tablecloth because that's drawing. It draws more attention. You know, yellow makes people thirsty, okay? It was just appealing to the eyes, you know. And my canopy was either pink or orange. I've had a couple. And yeah, so that's the bougie way. Now, the easy way, you know, is to pretty much have your table, your business cards, your tablecloth, like I said, your canopy, and instead of having the beverage refrigerator on your table, you can have your cooler on top of your table, and you can have like your sea moss gels. And if you sell lemonades too, you can have your lemonades like, you know, just popping out of the ice, but it's still keeping them cold, you know. And you can have like the other gels that are not being sold and everything like at the bottom, but make sure you display each flavor at the top but still inside of the ice that you're going to be selling so people can see actually what you have. Do not take your sea moss out of the ice and have them just sitting on the table because it's going to go bad. Because it's we're in the warm months right now, and so that's going to definitely make your sea moss go bad, you know. So keep it in the ice, and you know, and then your labels. If you're going to have your labels, if you're going to have your sea moss gels and lemonades and stuff like that in the ice, you're going to want to have waterproof and oil proof labels, not just waterproof, because I have noticed that when you just do waterproof, it doesn't, like, sometimes the words and everything, the writing still bleed. But if you do waterproof and oil proof, like, your labels are going to be perfect. Like, they're not going to get messed up at all. So I recommend doing that. Make sure, because if you don't, then it's just going to mess up your label on your jar because it's going to be in the ice and it's just going to just tear your label up. It's going to eat it up. So do that, and then yeah, that's the easy way. So make sure you have your sign. I mean, you don't really have to, but it just looks more professional if you have like a sign with like your business name, and you know, and make sure you just are telling people what the sea moss is about. Like, have like some little stand-up plastic like thing, like a little tiny little menu thing. Like, you can get the little plastic thing from Dollar Tree, and if you don't want to print it out on the computer, you can write it on the paper and slide it in there and just put it on the table. Make sure you got your business card holder. Make sure you have business cards, because you want to be giving out your business card to every and anybody that stops at your station, okay? That is like a big thing. You want people to be able to contact you, because come on now, if you're watching this video, I know your product is good. I know your product is good. So you want people to continually buy from you, you know. And I recommend, if you don't have a website, make sure you get your website up. Make sure you're letting people know if you deliver, if you have a delivery charge, you know, just kind of really engage with people at the pop-up shop and just tell them about your product and how it can make you feel. And you know, I mean, even if you want to, you can even also give some samples or whatever. If you want, you can have like a couple jars off to the side of different flavors that you want to do samples for. I recommend, if you want to do samples, you can do like a couple of 8 ounces instead of the regular 16 ounces, and just have those to the side of the different flavors, and people can just, you know, when they want to sample, you can just have a whole bunch of plastic spoons out there, open it up, let them, you know, get a scoop, and put the lid back on and put it back in the ice, you know, and just let people know, like, these are the samples. Do you want to try it? Or, you know, because once they try it, they're going to get hooked. So that's a good idea also. You can also put a banner on your canopy. I've done that before. And it was nice. So yeah, I'm trying to think, is there anything else? I mean, if you have anything else also, you don't have to just have sea moss at your station. If you sell anything else or have any other kind of hobbies, you can also do that. You know, if you even have like a friend that sells something, you guys can split the table, and she can do her thing over there and you can do your thing over there, and y'all can just get your money, okay? Sharing is caring, okay? So yeah, so that's all I really wanted to let you guys know. And I'll list things in the description box so that you can know what you need to order and kind of just get a feel of what things look like. And so yeah, you know, I just want to tell everybody, have fun. The pop-up shops are super fun. Oh yeah, make sure that you have some of those like foldable chairs, okay? You are going to need those. You need your chairs. Make sure you have you something to hydrate yourself. And always try to take somebody with you that can help you to like load and unload your stuff. Um, and just so like if you have to go to the bathroom or something, somebody can be there and watch your station for you, you know, and like make sales for you. Me, my sons, they're always with me, and my oldest son, like he'll take payments and stuff, but he's telling people about the sea moss because he knows, because I've been doing this for years. So yeah, I just want to say, happy Juneteenth to everyone. Get out there and get this money. People are looking to buy and they want to support, Black businesses and just businesses, period, Yeah, so I appreciate everyone for watching this video. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section, and I'll be sure to answer them in the best way possible. And I love you guys, and I appreciate you, and thank you.